Progressive elaboration in project management. So ito yung ito yung ginagamit sa project management na ang project is continuously developed as specific information becomes available. Kumbaga, yung project is umuusad based dun sa information na available. So example dyan is yung mga prototypes sa information technology, sa computer science, and sa software development, sa hardware development. Ano yan, ginagawa yan. May mga prototype sila. Then, after gumawa ng prototype, may information na namang available. Then, kung okay na yun, kung may idadagdag pa, nag-evolve siya. Di ba? Yung rapid prototyping, yung rapid application. Yan yung, basta involved yung prototyping. It is what you call progressive elaboration. So, yan yung mga project management theories na concepts, theories na dapat nating alam. Kasi sa industry, hindi tayo bihira tayong gumamit ng research. Ang ginagamit natin is we term those software and hardware developments as projects. So yan, dapat alam natin yung project elaboration. So, yun lang po.